Hi everyone, Inat Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and I have some news for you. I can't believe it! The 12 Cards of Christmas series is celebrating its 10th anniversary, and we're celebrating together with you with a never seen before amazing giveaway. This ultimate giveaway will have 12 different winners. Each of them will choose their own prize. Yes, you heard me. So check out all the details how to join below. What an amazing giveaway. I can't believe it. So this is our final card, the swing arm card in the 12 Cards of Christmas series. Find out how to increase your chances of winning the amazing giveaway in the description under the video. Also get all the measurements as well. We're going to start with our base and fold it in half, put it aside. Then we're going to make our swing arm. We have 3 parts for that swing arm. We're going to start with our square. We're going to mark 3/4. This is piece A. Going to mark 3/4 of an inch on that square on both sides, and then create or draw a little square inside the square. Just do it with a pencil. This is what you're going to have. Now we're going to cut out this square that we just drew. So you basically have this shape. We're going to put that aside. Next, we're going to do some scoring on our strips. First, we're going to take piece B and score it at 1, 2, and 3 inches. So this is the shorter strip. Then on the longer strip, I'm going to make it a little closer so you can see. We're going to score it at 3/4, 2 3/4, and 3 1/2. Let's open our arm there. So at 3/4, 2 3/4, and 3 1/2. Next, we're going to go back to 1 3/4 and make another score line, but only halfway through. So we're going to go down only 1/2 inch with that score line on the 1 3/4 mark. Okay? And then we're going to align it with 2 inches and make a little mark with a pencil on the top. So you see that we have 2 tabs on the top and the bottom, and we're also going to score, or not score, mark on the bottom another little mark with a pencil, and then go all the way with our scissors from that little mark on the bottom to the score line before the pencil mark. Okay, so this is what you have. Now we are going to you have these 2 3 score lines and the mark with the pencil. So what we're going to do is mark 1/2 inch or even 3/4 of an inch. No, we're going to start again. Just want to make sure that I have the measurements. We're going to make a mark at 1/4 of an inch on that score line, and then mark where the other score line is, and then we're going to score diagonally from the left pencil mark to the 1/4 of an inch pencil mark and the other way around. the other mark. So basically we have a triangle that we are marking. Now let's bring our pieces and assemble this. So let me just say that I forgot to add my cover papers first. You should cover your papers, add your cover papers now. I forgot. So we're going to mark the center about 2.5 inches from the bottom, and then we're going to fold on the strip with the 3 fold lines. This is what we have. And then we're going to apply glue to the bottom of the longer side of the larger tab, and then align it with that little dot that we made and the center score line like this, and attach it. So next we're going to apply glue on the smaller tab on the other side. Fold it in half like this and close the card to secure. So when it's dry, when you open it, this is what we have. So both the fold line on the card and the fold line on the tab are aligned. Now we're going to fold our other piece. Going to fold on all the score lines, and then where we come to the triangle, we're going to fold it like this. Going to fold it inside like this. And this is what you should have. Next we're going to attach that as well. We're going to apply glue to the bottom of the little tab at the end here. Then we're going to align it with the fold line right under what is already there, the little box pop-up. And we're going to apply glue to the other side, the little tab. Then we're going to fold it like this, going to fold the triangle. Be careful not to glue this. So we need to insert the cube or that square in between under the triangle, and make sure that it is glued like this. Now we're going to attach this piece here. So we're going to apply glue and attach it. Make sure everything is completely dry before you add anything else. Now your swing arm is ready. You can go ahead and add the, I got confused with the directions. Just add your cover paper to the last piece that you want to attach to the arm. And then your other piece. So this is going to be partly covered by the mechanism. So if you want to add writing, you should only add it to the right side of your paper, because the left side is not going to show, like I'm doing here. Okay, so what we're going to attach to what? This part is going to go on here, the larger part. So we're going to apply glue to the top of this square and attach the larger piece, aligning it with the center of the card, namely with the top and the bottom edges. Once that's dry, you can open and close it a few times. Okay, so you see this part underneath is the part that is popping out, that we're going to attach that little piece that we have. This is not straight, so just going to reattach it. This is why I'm using liquid glue, because then if something is wrong, I can change things. Okay, so now we can go ahead and attach our other piece to this part here. So we apply glue only to the edge of that piece that is popping out, and we're going to align the card vertically under the piece that we have already attached. It's a little hard to see, but the larger piece is supposed to hide this piece under it. When the card is closed, it goes all the way under there. And then it comes out when you open the card. So you see why I had to put my cover papers first, which I forgot. I'll see if I can add some cover papers after, but first we can embellish the front of the card and add our cover papers there. You can also make the card from just one solid color cardstock, and then you won't have to have cover papers on the inside at all. But if you don't want to leave it as white like me, then you'll have to add the cover papers before you even start with the entire mechanism. So I really hope you like this tutorial. I hope you like the entire 12 Cards of Christmas series. Don't forget to join our giveaway and learn how to increase your chances of winning in the description under the video. Also, subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload all those videos, so you'll be able to follow all the tutorials and make all the projects. And this is how the card looks when it is finished, with the arm, the swing arm. And then I'll try to add some cover papers here and there. It won't be perfect, but it will be better than just having a blank white card. So when you open and close it, the arm swings like this. Isn't that cool? So I want to thank everyone for joining me in this entire series. I hope you liked it, and I hope you'll join the giveaway. This is how it looks after I've added a few cover papers. So thank you very much for joining me. Have a Merry Christmas, and I will see you next time.